Come test drive the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.